Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a side ponytail. This kind of was like freestyle, but after I actually did the ponytail, I realized it was sort of a 90s inspired weave ponytail. So yeah, I think it came out real cute or whatever, and it only took like 45 minutes to like really get it, actually probably less than that, to really get it the way I wanted. So keep watching. So the key to doing any weave, ponytail, or bun or whatever is to make sure that the hair is super sleek. If you want to blow dry your hair and straighten it, that's probably the most effective way to do it. I'm actually really tired and I don't feel like blow drying my whole head and straightening it, so I'm just gonna slick it back as best as I can and work with it from there. I'm going to be using a variety of products, including Got2b spray, a little bit of Eco Styler gel, because I legit was running out, and then I used a tiny bit of Got2b gel as well, to get that sleek and finished look. Just a tip, guys, when you're doing a ponytail, you're gonna have to tie back your hair like 3 or 4 different times, unless you're like a magician, in order to get the ponytail as sleek as possible. I never get it on the first try because it's just a lot, like especially if you have a lot of hair, it's just always harder. And now I'm using my wax stick. Oh my gosh, so I got this wax stick from Amazon. I thought this brand is like She's Bomb or something. I'm in love with the wax sticks now. I initially got it for my wigs, but I'm obsessed with it for my natural hair now. I actually like it better than glue. I mean, not glue. Love it. I actually like it better than Got2b, depending on like what the style is. So I definitely recommend getting a wax stick. there's a few ways you can do a ponytail. Since I didn't blow dry or straighten my hair, it's gonna be harder for me to get a small bun. You're gonna see as the video goes on that I try my hardest, but my bun is just really big, so that's why my ponytail ends up looking the way it does. It still looks good, but it definitely is more, I want to say thicker, but I don't know if that makes sense. Like, it basically just has a bigger base. You want to get the bun as tight as possible. So now I'm coming through. My edges are finally growing back. I'm doing this hair growth oil treatment. I'm gonna do a video on that too. So my edges look so much better, even though I still do have that bald spot, but it's growing back slowly but surely. I do my edges first because you'll basically separate the hair from getting gelled down with the rest of the ponytail. Another part that you'll see I'm doing is that I keep putting the blow dryer to the style once I get another part done. Once I sculpt out the ponytail, and then once I sculpt out my baby hairs, it's really important to put, you can even put it on cool settings, you don't even have to put it on hot, but it's important to get some sort of air onto the ponytail, so this way it's as sleek as possible. And also the products I use, I did not get any white residue or any flaking, which I've had happen to me before by a professional. So definitely want to make sure you're using the products that I use in this video to get a sleek look. Now I'm gonna put on my Versace, let me stop, my fake ass Versace satin scarf. Actually guys, this scarf is bomb. I got it from the beauty supply store. It was dead ass $4. But you just need the satin scarf, like, honestly, to lay your edges down while you craft the ponytail with the weave, and then you can take it off after. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get my QweenTresses water wave bundles. This is in 12 inches. I'm so silly. This hair is 100% virgin hair, and it's also available on JJuheardCosmetics.com. So go copy that. And I'm essentially just gonna unravel the bundle, and I'm gonna start wrapping it around this bun. And here's the point where you're gonna see, guys, where I say to make your bun as small as possible, because since my bun is actually pretty big and thick, it's gonna take a lot more hair to cover it and make it look even, if that makes sense. wrapping the bundles around, I put bobby pins in them, obviously you guys saw that. And because, like I said, my bun was so big, I had to find a way to maneuver around it because I did not feel like taking these bundles out and doing it over. So, because I was only wearing this hairstyle for like 2 days, so I wasn't going in. But I do want to note that that's how this style ended up being like this 90s inspired style, because I ended up slicking all the curls to the, I think the right side of my head, and pinning them down to cover the bun, and it actually came out really cute. So it was one of those unintentional slays. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like the style. Super cute 90s inspired look, and it's perfect. Subscribe, loves, and make sure you check out my channel, and press the notification buttons so you can get notified about my new content, bitch. Bye.